Hi, I'm Liam, the Quality Assurance Technician from Laser Express, and I'm here to show you where to put all the pieces from the CF064A maintenance kit in the M602 printer. First and foremost, to replace the transfer roller, you can see that it's just right in here next to the swing plate. You're just gonna, it comes up real easy. Some of these you need a tool to get up, but this one you just pick straight up. And you grab your replacement one, move all the packaging on it, and then this end goes in first. And you can see it fits in right at the tooth there. And then this black bit should be pointing with both of the prongs facing down in order to hold it in place. You know, it's pretty hard to get it in there any other way, so if you're forcing it super hard, then that might be, might tip you off that you're doing something wrong. All right, and then next we're going to replace a couple of more rollers. So this part you can see will just come right up, and there's a little lever here to help take this off. Replace it with your newer one. Should slip just right on there. You'll see there are teeth on the little white roller next to it that'll help it guide it in. And when you hear that snap, that means it's in place. You can just let that go. The next roller to replace is going to be on the underside of this printer. So we'll just, oh, come on, lift it up. You can see it right there. So same principle, just squeeze the two teeth together. And then replace it. Make sure that the teeth on the other gear line up. And there you are. To get to the fuser, you're going to want to start from the back of the printer. This tray will just come right out. You just pull that down, and you'll see that there's a little space for your thumb there, so you can help squeeze to get the two little nubs out from their little holes. And then this is the fuser unit. You just, there's two little blue clips on there to help you squeeze and take it out. You'll take your new fuser unit, make sure you remove the rubber band that's on here if it's still there. You can just push that in there. You'll know when you hear the two clicks that it's in place right. Then again, you start from the nubs, and the one that you took out last goes in first. Goes right there. And this slides right back in right under it. Then you just make sure all your pieces are back where they were, and then that should be it for installing the maintenance kit on the M602 printer. Thank you very much.